thoughts. Yes, sir. And I request all the parents to encourage their child to come with many, many ideas and project them in their 4 years course. Now, I would request our alumni, Lasya, to come over and take up the stage. I want her to give her introduction and proceed with the speech. Lasya, come over. We are delighted to have you here, Lasya.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I would respect all the dignitaries here and I would not take the stage and I would do it my way of doing it. Hello, everyone, and I am Lasya. I have graduated from HITM in the year 2019 and I am a mechanical engineer. Yes, you heard me right. I am a mechanical engineer and I am currently working with Tata Consultancy Services as an analyst. To all of you who had an apprehension that my child took mechanical, does he have future? I am standing in front of you. If I have, then they have. That's only because of the brand that you see behind me. That's because of HITM. Today, I'm not going to bombard you with a lot of information. I know what is going to happen. All you children are going to come back home and tell you that, oh, this was told in the college. I will not repeat anything, but I am here to give my 2 cents of suggestion to all the parents. You might be wondering, this kid in jeans is going to tell me what I'm supposed to do. No, I'm only going to share my experience here. So I joined HITM in the year 2015. I was sitting one among those last benches and I was quite shy. I didn't want to speak here. And I was that one kid who went to Vanaja ma'am and said, nothing doing, if you're not giving me mechanical engineering, I'm going to another college. You're like, huh? How? Why would a girl want to do mechanical engineering? I said, I will do it and I need you to support me. And there it began my journey. Ever since then, there was no looking back. I have been a part of a zillion initiatives that you see here on the board. Maybe when you explore the campus, you will see my name a lot of places. Today, I'm only going to tell you and emphasize you on how important it is for a student to be a part of non-academic activities. When I say non-academic, yes, there is life beyond engineering subjects, which will prepare you to be a better corporate employee or let's say life ready, right? I have a good news. I have a bad news. What is that you want to hear first? Good news or bad news? Oh, bad news? All right. The bad news is you just have 4 years to spend at HITM. I wish you had more time. And the good news is you are a part of HITM, one of the best colleges of Hyderabad, top 13 engineering colleges of Hyderabad, and the only college that emphasizes on student-centric nature. Yes, this college says you do and I will watch. I will tell you 3 initiatives that I was a part of, which made me who I am, that I'm standing in front of you and addressing this huge gathering. So the first initiative that I was a part of was the events club of this college. I was made the secretary, which means I got to decide that how much we spend on this, but how much we spend on such events. Where do we get that vendor? What do we talk? Yes, being a girl, I was able to do that. Please do not have an apprehension. Your kids will be able to do that. Then I was a part of an NGO called For a Cause, which started back then in 2017. Maybe I was 19 years old, and I proudly say I started that NGO with the help of college. Today, we have empowered 215 women, taught them employability skills. We have adopted 7 schools, and all of them are juvenile offenders. I did that and I understood what it is to be empathetic towards society. I did something beyond engineering. That made me industry ready. Today, when I apply for an MBA college, when they ask me, what did you do in your life beyond engineering? When I say, I started an NGO and my college stood by me. That's something great. The second initiative that I brought in the college was Toastmasters. If you think I'm doing a great job speaking here, addressing all of you, talking to all of you, that means that platform taught me how to speak to a large gathering. How do I convince people? How do I negotiate with people? How do I face the crowd and stay confident? That is another initiative that I brought in college, stood by me again. There's something that I want you to know. Whatever your kids want to do, college will never say no. They will always tell you, come up with a plan B. Because we say, find your path. That means you have to figure out what do you want to do, if not engineering. No, this is not a joke. It's your child's career. That means they can choose what they want to. What role do you play? Encourage them. College will allow them to do whatever they want. They can stay back in the campus. They will have to stay back till 6 o'clock to pursue their passion. My only ask is allow your kids to stay back in the campus and do whatever they want. That is what made me who I am today. The last initiative that I was part of, and most of the faculty were like, Malli Nasena, and that initiative was student self-governance. So I was the student principal of the college, which means I was leading 112 students and 50 faculty, 70 non-teaching faculty, and the numbers climbing up. That was something I did again. Now you might be wondering, your kids can do everything that I did. Whatever I did beyond engineering, beyond academics, made me corporate ready. I am working with TCS. Mechanical is another beautiful stream and the only stream that will let you explore all the opportunities that we have. You take CSE, they will only have to deal with computers, but mechanical, I explored with machines. I explored with hydraulic machines. You name it, I did it. I also race. I am a racer today. My passion for bikes is immense, but still I am working in a corporate software company called Tata Consultancy Services. All the parents do not have a doubt. All the engineering streams are same. They have to be treated equally. And yes, your kids have a safe, bright, and amazing future. If I did it, they will do it too. That's my 2 cents.
Yes, come on, Last. Yes, Lasya, you are delighted and always. We are proud to see you here. And I know you're superb, dear, and she has initiated so many initiatives here. And not only her, with her inspiration, there are many, many students who are doing very great and great here. And I know you will be flying with achievements here in your life. Thank you, dear.